I lost my train of thought. It's me, luna.mars, back with another K-pop reaction. Today, what I've got for you is something special. It's called Goodbye. And we've got Yoona Kim on the track, who is the leader of The Ark. If you haven't already, you can check out my video where I did a reaction to The Ark. And I cried. Hopefully I won't be crying now. Like, this seems like it might be like that type of, you know, you never know, I don't know. We got some collaboration going on here, you know. Jeon Minju, Hyunkyu. We got some stuff going on here. I'm gonna watch the performance version, so without further ado, let's get to it. Let's get it, let's do it. Let's go! Now. This feels very dramatic. Yeah. This is dramatic. I like that scene though. I like the opening too.
Feels like yesterday when we were holding hands and laughed together. But we had an endless way with more time, it could have been okay. 시간 더 있었다면 괜찮았을 텐데. 들릴 수 없기에 창밖을 홀로 바라봐 답답하게 지나간 우리. Now correct me if I'm wrong, but wasn't Yoona Kim on a GD track? On one of his songs? I'm not tripping, am I? This was also a requested video. People were really feeling this song and they wanted me to. There's like 4 people who requested I'd watch this song video. I like the dance. I like her outfit right there. Ooh, I like that part. So dramatic. I like the strobe light. I'm digging it. She better work. Hey. 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 Sing it. I keep saying sing it. Better rap it. I also love you too, girl. Baboya. Right, she's breaking it down. Don't we all dig the one sleeve? It's like all gold. Jeon Minju, Jeon Minju. Nice flip. Ah, that was decent. And she was just like, oh. That is like the champion pose.
I feel like this video is a really good fit for like their age range. I feel like it's just like perfect for people who are their age, like around their ages. I'm just kind of feeling that vibe here. It's like they're not trying to force her to be like super like mature or something else. Like they're just kind of sticking to the originality. If that made any sense? Damn. She went in. I wasn't even prepared. I didn't think it's. I thought it was gonna just be like. Yeah, yeah, girl, you was on me and I was on what? I don't know. I thought it was just gonna be a few, you know, like rap, like explosions here and there. But I thought it was gonna be like just steady, like a lot of this just piano, like. But no, it was like ballad and meets upbeat hip hop explosion. It was really cool. Yeah, I loved her dancing and her outfits. That gold sleeve though. Hashtag gold sleeve. And the verdict is, I liked it. It was cool. I was digging it. Thought that was a pretty cool jam. And yeah, thank you so much for requesting this. It is really a pleasure to watch. I loved it. I thought it was really great and amazing, and just like a lot happening. It was just like boom, blowing my mind. So thank you guys. Okay, everybody, stay awesome. Don't get caught up in that goodbye rain, yo. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm gonna stop talking now. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. Bye, bye, bye. Yeah, yeah, girl, you was on me and I was on what?